So I went upstairs and walked into my bedroom, and in the bathroom, the floor was just flooded and water was gushing out of the toilet. I actually panicked, and the only thing I could think about was calling Warrior.
The level of care is really important because we understand that when you have a loss at your house, that's your home, that's your place to get out of the weather, to get away from this world, and that's where you seek refuge. And when something happens to that place, it's really emotionally difficult. And that's why we take such care with people's homes.
We believe that the homeowner should be our boss, not the insurance company. Our owner really wanted to take care of everyone's home the way he would his own mother or his own grandmother. And when he realized that he could not be 100% upfront and truthful or give them all the information that they needed, that's when he decided that to take this company in a different direction and be the advocate for the homeowner.
You are our customer. The insurance company is not our customer, and the entire process, we're working for you to protect you.
First of all, if your house floods, you need to address it immediately. And you need someone who will be quick to respond and who will respond correctly. So therefore, there's only one company to call, Warrior.